We wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you to yet another cool tool that we will be using to monitor this upcoming winter storm. It comes to us from our friends at WeatherSTEM. They're launching 8 new remote weather observation and camera systems in South Carolina this week. We met up with them just yesterday in Rock Hill. That's some of the video you're looking at here. Their fleet of weather station and cameras produce data 24/7. It's free and available to the public, so you're going to be seeing it in the coming months right here on the Carolina Weather Group. We're very excited about that. They're going to have new observations coming online from places like Greenville, Columbia, and more. The units are being launched in partnership between WeatherSTEM, South Carolina Educational Television, and the University of Florida College of Journalism, WeatherSTEM being a company that got its start in Florida. So we're very happy to see the expansion of their system here to the Carolinas. They had a few units, and they're going to have 8 more by the time the week is done. Like I mentioned, we're going to be using some of their data on air here on the Carolina Weather Group, and I want to show you what their webpage looks like. They've already got some of their new locations reporting. Here is a look at that Rock Hill station as it's online tonight. 36 degrees and clear. Visibility 10 miles, which is fabulous, and you can see that camera there on the South Carolina Educational Television transmitter as well too, presenting us with an image tonight. Also coming in 2019, we'll be sharing special educational segments right here on the Carolina Weather Group, made possible by some of the classroom educational material that is produced and presented by WeatherSTEM. So we're welcoming some of their new units, guys, here to the Carolinas. You can find them on their website, and one of the cool things that they do all across the country where their units are is they take time-lapse videos throughout the day, and so they've got a lot at football stadiums, by the way. So if you're a big football fan, you should check out to see the next time there's a game happening, if there's a WeatherSTEM location on that stadium, to get some real-time data coming in.